Hi, I'm Ronelle, and I want to talk to you about getting your living room ready for sale. So if you want to do this all yourself, I'm going to give you a couple of tips that you can actually implement in your own property. First of all, I'm going to start at the bottom, the rug. Your rug, if it has the same color as the flooring in, that's great, because what happens when you come into the living room, your eye will just glide from the floor onto your rug. If the rug is a very strong contrasting color to the floor, I might suggest you removing that. The reason is when you take a photo, you can actually only see the rug. It also makes the room feel much smaller. So having a rug, at least one or two colors that's in your floor, will make it feel so much bigger. In this case, it defines the living room as well. It's big enough for this room. If your rug is very small and hardly goes under the legs of your sofa, I'll suggest removing that as well. The bigger the better, the rug basically. So in this living room, it's a great size, but just by moving things around, it can actually open up a lot more. So the client has an ottoman that they use as a coffee table in this living room. So the suggestion will be coming in, you want this to be very open. So I'm going to ask Nicolene to help me just to move the ottoman against the wall. Thank you. So this way we actually make it feel more open, more inviting. You do not have to walk around furniture when you enter the room, and it serves now as an extra seating area. Dressing your sofa. Rule of thumb, we normally have 2 to 3 scatter cushions in each corner. Do not overdo it because that can look cluttered then as well. In this room, there was no place for the client to hang any artwork. So because the walls are a neutral color, they were able to play with a little bit of color. So always have a color on the wall or curtain reflecting in your cushions and accessories. So we have a neutral wall, and they do have scatter cushions with neutral color in it. That way it just binds the whole room together and doesn't look out of space. So I'm just going to do a little bit of decorating here today. So by placing the cushions will be good, but they actually have this funky rug. Oh, not rug, just throw. We'll just throw it over. There. And then we'll place the cushions. And placing them upright will just let your eye go upwards as well, which will be good for space. And if you can, opt for some cushions with texture and a combination of colors. So the blues goes very well with the sofa, the beige goes with the wall, and then all the little bits of tint of yellow just creates a nice flow in this room. If you have a plain cushion, always choose the color of your sofa and place it at the back. That way it just makes the sofa feel much fuller than what it really is. And just like 2 or 3 together. Different heights and sizes is also good. Just creates a bit of interest. And for the eye, this is a very cutie. I'll just place it like that. Try and bring in a bit of color. Is always safe with plants. I love plants. If clients have no idea what kind of color to use, I always say just go for plants. Neutral color, lots of greens. You have your whites, your soft yellows, neutral tones of flowers that you can use, and that way it just brightens it up, makes it alive, and yeah, feels inviting when you come in and this is what you see. So I hope you like it.
Thanks so much for watching this video. Remember, if you liked it, press thumbs up and subscribe to get more videos like this. See you next time for more fantastic home improvement tips. Bye.